Hello, everyone. We're giving Fiona Fire Truck a service.
Oh, it's been a long day. Excuse me.
Now, what's next, Mechanicals?
I think this is yours, Blue. Now, what were we doing, Mechs? All done? Spinning screwdrivers! That went quickly. Hello, everyone. Today we're training to be pilots, and our friend Kat is going to teach us.
Atención, mechanicals. Gecko. Being a pilot is more than just flying. You need to train your body and your mind. Are you ready, chicos?
Aye, aye, Captain Cat.
Vamos, let's do some training exercises together. But remember, it's not a competition. Just give your best effort. Y fin. Your turn, chicos.
This ramp sure is slippery. I got you, Blue. Grab the rope.
Sí se puede, Blue. You did it.
It's okay, Blue. Keep going.
Great job. Puedes hacerlo, Blue. Our final test is an obstacle course. Ready, set, fuera.
Rusty wrenches! Your ball wheel's broken. Don't worry, Blue. We'll fix you up just like new. What tool do we need? Screwdriver! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. We need to replace the ball wheel. So first, let's unscrew the damaged one. Lefty-loosey. Out with the old. In with the new. Now screw it in tight. There. This pilot's ready to fly.
One last touch. I have new goggles and something muy especial para ti, Blue. You passed your pilot training.
What's important is you tried your best. The best that Blue can do. And every time you fell down, you got back up again.
That's the spirit of a true pilot. Hey, Blue, how would you like to be my first mechanical co-pilot?
Well done, Blue! When you give something your best try, you never know how far you'll fly. Goodbye, everyone. Today we're at the construction site. Green, Red and I are fitting Dylan with new tyres. Oh, careful, Yellow. These tyres are very big and heavy. I think Eric would like to play too. Can he join your game, please? Oh! Ah! Oh! Watch it! Ah! Oh! 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 Look out, Red! Oh. Spinning screwdrivers! We have to stop that tyre before it hurts someone! Well spotted, Yellow! It's headed towards Cat's base! I've got to warn her!
Come in, Gecko. Over.
Cat! There's a giant runaway tire headed your way!
See? The tire is here. Oh, no. It's gone again. I'll follow the wheel in Helena. We can try to catch it with a net.
A net! Great idea. Uh-oh.
I meant to catch the tire, not you.
No problem, Cat. It's hard to catch a moving target with a moving net. We need to find another way. That's it, Yellow. We'll bash the tire into the net like a hockey goal. Look out for the tire from the air, please, Cat. We have to get back to the construction site. I have a plan to catch that tire. Eric, you'll be the hockey stick. And Dylan, you'll be the goal. What tool do we need? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. We'll attach the net to this frame to create a giant goal. Then bolt it tight to Dylan's bucket. Ha.
Come in, Gecko. The tire is rolling towards the construction site.
Bouncing brake pads. This is it. Ready, Eric? Ready, Dylan? Let's do this. Steady. Steady. Now, Eric! He shoots! He scores!
Koala!
Eric's used to digging holes, but he's just as good at scoring goals. Goodbye, everyone! Hello, everyone. We're having a sleepover with Grandma and Miles, who stopped by to change Miles's worn-out wheels. But that can wait until the morning. It's bedtime now, Red. Grandma is going to read us a story. When Princess Truck arrived at Lullaby Castle, she was very sleepy. Your stories are the best, Grandma. So Princess Truck dimmed her headlights and... Time to change Miles's wheels. They're all worn out. It's fixing time. Oh, is it morning already? Snoring screwdrivers! Grandma's sleepwalking! I'll attach Miles's new wheel with this screwdriver. That wheel is far too big for Miles. Where did I put that wheel? We need to get Grandma back to bed and find Miles some new wheels. This fix is very cozy. Thanks, Yellow. Aha! These wheels will fit you, Miles. What tool do we need? Drill wrench. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. First, we put the wheel in place. Then we use the drill wrench's electric power to tighten the nuts. So it's fixed on securely. You fixed those wheels tonight after all, Red. But now it really is bedtime. Again. Good morning, Grandma.
Morning, Gecky.
Would you like a cup of tea?
I had the strangest dream last night. I was trying to replace Miles's worn-out old wheels. And suddenly, I was rolling about on roller skates. Ah, Miles. Whoa! Such shiny new wheels. Where did those come from?
Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Kat has challenged us to a game of American football. So today, we're the Gecko's Garage Go-Getters.
Prepare to face Catalina Felina el Fuego.
Come on, Mechanicals. Let's try our best. But most of all, have fun.
Let's play. Vamos, quarterback Eric. Use your super strong piston arm.
We need to stop that ball. Oh.
Touchdown! 6 points.
Don't worry. Now it's our turn to try and score a touchdown. 10, 6, 12. Hut! Ha! Throw it as hard as you can, Yellow. Oh.
Interception! I'll take that. Touchdown! Another 6 points.
Ooh, nearly. Okay, Mechanicals, we can score a touchdown. I know it. We just need to find a way to throw the ball past the other team. But how? Aha! The pistons in Eric's arm help him throw really far. Now I know how we can get a touchdown. What tool do I need? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. We'll bolt in this hydraulic piston like the one on Eric's arm. Now Yellow has the power to throw really far. Ready, Mechs? Time for a touchdown! Blue! I'll catch you! Blue, you did it! We scored a touchdown! And what a pass, Yellow!
And you saved Blue, Gecko. That was the best catch I've ever seen.
Thanks, Cat. No matter if we lost or won, what matters is we all had fun. Goodbye, everyone. Blue, go long! Hello, everyone. Today we're having a garage sale where we offer items we no longer need to others who might want to use them. Like this engine belt.
Garage sale? Junk sale, more like? Hey, this isn't junk. Or this.
Nothing here is junk, Mr. Weasel. Everything can be reused. This belt can help turn the parts of an engine. Would you like it?
Really? I mean, yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, Molly, what's the matter? Your dino vanished while you were playing with this, Teddy. Don't worry. We'll find it. Nuts and bolts! Sly must have thought your dino was in the sail. I'll follow Mr. Weasel and Sly. You wait. Here. Molly, slow down! You might damage your engine by going too fast. Go, Tilly Tow Truck. We need to follow her.
Huh? Look, Sly! It seems Molly wants to overtake, but no one overtakes Wilbur T. Weasel!
What happened? Is everyone okay?
We are? But what's wrong with Molly?
Spinning screwdrivers! Molly's engine belt has broken. But Mr. Weasel, you have a spare engine belt, remember?
Oh, yes! Here it is!
Thanks. We'll fix you up in no time, Molly. What tool do I need? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. First, we have to loosen this cog to release the old broken belt. Now loop the new belt around the engine so it can turn the moving parts. There! Ready to go, Molly. Sorry, Sly. Molly's dino wasn't in the sail. Could she have it back, please?
Oh.
Today we learnt that friends who care are your friends who like to share. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're having a picnic at the lake today. Green and blue are rowing in their boat, and red and yellow are helping Grandma do some fishing. Wow, great cast, Grandma.
Yes, I upgraded the reel on my fishing rod so I can cast it out further than ever.
Oh, I caught something.
Another boot. Add it to the pile.
Keep trying, Grandma. Be careful, you two, or you'll drop an oar. And there goes the other one. Try pulling the rope to raise the sail. It will catch the wind and get you moving. Jumping jackhammers. Now they're stuck out there. Try to stay calm, you two. We'll find a way to get you back to shore. But how? Oh, Grandma, can you use your fishing rod to hook the Mechs boat and reel them in, please?
I'll certainly try, Gecky. Besides, it would be nice to catch something I actually want for a change.
Spinning screwdrivers! The fishing line isn't long enough.
If only I had a bigger rod.
That's it! Tilly's winch! It's just like your fishing rod, Grandma, only much bigger!
Clever lad. Now, let's get our mini metal ones back to shore.
What tool do we need? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. An adjustment to Tilly's winch motor. We'll give it the power to cast this life ring out to blue and green. Just a little bit more. There, that should do the trick. Let's cast this ring out beside the boat.
Oh, bravo, Tilly dear. I should take you fishing next time.
Hold on tight. Okay, let's reel them in, Tilly. Hey, hooray!
Safe at last. And hungry too, I bet. It's picnic time.
Now this is what I call a catch of the day. Grandma's apple pie.
Look, Yellow's caught something. Oh, it's a sail for the boat.
When nothing seems to go your way, stay calm and think. And it will be okay. Goodbye,